Meaning of exonerate.
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 Exonerate. The word exonerate means to clear someone of blame or wrongdoing. When someone is exonerated, it means that they are proven innocent and no longer considered guilty of the accusations against them. This can be accomplished through evidence that proves their innocence or by demonstrating that there was a procedural error in the legal process. Exoneration is an important legal concept because it upholds the principle of presumption of innocence and ensures that justice is served by holding the actual perpetrator responsible for their actions. Overall, exonerating someone brings closure and a sense of justice to those who have been wrongly accused.